hell no, boys. Misa's car just fucking, his wheels are coming off right now. His fucking lug nut fell. Oh hell no, is there a car coming? Hold up. Oh fuck. Oh hell no, his bull fucking broke, bruh. Look, he's over there. Holy shit. Oh hell no. Oh, that shit's hard, bruh. Hold on, let's go see. Oh hell no, bruh. That's bad. Actually no, I think it's just that part, but like still, fuck, dude. We're about to see. Fuck. Bruh, I was about to call you too because I saw your wheel hella shaking. Like right now, look.
I know the whole fucking thing snapped off.
Yeah.
What am I gonna have to do?
Tow it, nigga.
Nigga doesn't have a spare either, bro.
Oh, you don't have a spare? No, nigga, it doesn't matter. You don't have a spare.
No, I'm talking about this. What am I gonna have to do from that? Like, am I gonna have to change the whole fucking axle?
No. It's just this. You just gotta get a new one of these.
A new rotor?
Yeah. Or a new, like, or behind the rotor, because the rotor doesn't connect to it. So it's like the thing behind the rotor.
Yeah, I saw that shit on the damn.
So it's not the actual rotor, it's the thing behind the rotor. I don't know what it's called though, but you have to get one new one of those. Yeah. I saw it hella shaking and I was like, oh shit. I was about to call you, but I was like, oh fuck, no service. And then once
No, I saw it.
And right when I was about to call you,
what the fuck am I gonna do? What, am I gonna fucking go over there and fucking stop right now?
Yeah. Right when I was about to call you and started smoking, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I know, look.
Yeah, I know, fuck, dude. You might have to tow it.
I don't have nothing either.
What do you mean?
Like, I have a spare and I have
I know, but like,
I don't think the last one will matter. If I drive it slow, I can take it somewhere right now.
it's only one that broke?
It's only one. Look at it.
Fuck it, let's put the spare on.
Oh, I don't have any wood. You don't? Shit, bro. Oh, that's bad.
I don't want my car.
Look, let me see it. Boys. Not good, boys.
Oh, hell no.
Not
what the fuck
fucking
is that?
good. It's the metal shavings from the wheel or the fucking, the lug nuts. Look at the,
Oh, hell no.
Nigga, I fucked up.
What the fuck?
Oh, hell nah. It's bad. Nigga.
That shit was out.
Nigga. Nigga. It's fucking bad, my nigga. It's bad.
hell no.
It's bad, nigga.
That's fucked. Two of them full of? Because I saw this one. I thought it was just your lug nut, so that's why I stopped to get it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But, oh hell no. This one was low-key. This one would have broke too. Oh hell no, bruh.
Bad.
You showed them, huh?
Yes.
Oh, look at your tire and shit. Boy, because like I think somebody fucking stole.
Guys, rear tire shave for the win.
Oh hell no. I think somebody stole fucking Misa's lug nuts or some shit. And then he put some on the other day too. And then again, two of them were missing. At this point, I think it was just your thing is bad, dude. Low key. I don't know, but like, that's fucking stupid. What are you gonna do? Because you can't, I mean, if you want, we could try putting the spare on, see if it drives at least home.
Yeah, that's what I was
If you low key, might as well try it at this point just to see. Because we have all the tools and shit. You don't have wood though, huh? Nah, he's like, oh look, a fat ass piece of wood right here. Yeah, look, oh, two. Here, just watch out, this one has nails. But like they're in the wood already. I'll take the other one right now. Yeah, look, there's one more right here. Oh. When I started smoking, I was like, oh shit. That's when I honked. Yeah, go. Go. Right there. Yeah, that should be enough room, hopefully. I haven't even eaten my arroz con leche.
What are we doing? The spot where we're gonna do the fucking
oil change.
No, not the oil change. Oh, if you know, you know. That's just fucking. Oh, fuck. It's for drifting. If you know, you know. It's a drifting thing. No, it's not. My fucking shit's fucked. Look at this shit. Ah, that shit's hot as shit.
Why
fucking dumbass. Not fucking good at all. And then look at that shit.
What the fuck is that? Show him.
Show him what?
Is that at Roche 4K?
I think it says it on that parking sign, no?
Oh yeah, I think so.
It says.
Why is it
follow Roach?
Why is it
4K.
moving around like
weird.
hella? I don't know.
It's not moving around. It's right there fucking by itself, nigga. This nigga's tweaking.
Boys, I'm just trying to eat my arroz con leche.
Let me get some of that just for that, nigga.
Go ahead. It's nice. It's nice temperature.
Let's go, bro.
We can't go
You
anywhere.
got a wood spoon? What the fuck?
What'd you trip for? You said you needed wood,
Fuck it
no?
though, it's your life. Fuck it though.
Watch out, watch out, watch out! Ow!
Nigga threw the fucking sobe at him instead of the fucking snake.
Yeah, I know, what the fuck?
No, when I saw it smoking, I was like, oh shit.
He probably felt it though.
Oh, hell nah. Look, it snapped them clean off, nigga. So I need to search up a shop to get to at least.
The one next to Andy's?
Would that one do it? You think so? I'm not gonna know for sure that they're gonna have it though. Look at this shit, bro. I fucked them.
Oh, nigga, that's a small ass spider. You see that shit?
Where?
Right there, look.
That's not a spider.
That's a spider.
That's an orangutan.
I love orangutans.
Is that the big red monkey?
I fucking love those niggas. Sloth and then those.
Am I supposed to cry about it? I'm not gonna cry about it.
Boys, what the fuck? The fucking jack fell, bruh. Oh, hell no. Hey, you're slammed though.
Oh, hell no.
This shit's fucking stuck, bro. Misa was back here. He's like, it's moving. Boom. Fuck, bro. How the fuck do we do this now? At least get it enough to get the that jack out, and then we'll lift it.
You can get it out, no?
Good. Yeah, alright, get it out.
No, it's hard. The whole car's on it, nigga. 3,000 plus pounds are on it.
That shit, cuz.
Yeah.
Oh shit, nigga.
The car's moving.
Go, Daniel.
I'm going.
Wait, wouldn't that just move the
Oh,
wheel?
that's only moving the
Ah.
fucking wheel, nigga. Oh, hell no.
Nigga. Wait, I think you can put that down there. I think it's low enough.
Oh, yeah.
This nigga red. I was like, wait, isn't that
forgot.
only gonna move the
I
fucking
fucking
wheel
forgot.
and suspension on, nigga?
Oh, hell no. No.
Back here? Through the back
too low.
somewhere? Can you do it through the back?
Yeah, but what the fuck?
Do a
do we-
differential.
This is not lifting shit.
Nigga.
That nigga has a nice beam.
Oh, that's cool.
You gotta try anything, cuz.
Ready?
That's not enough leverage. You gotta get in more. Right there. That's gonna break though. That one's too small.
Ready?
Wait.
Nigga, are you actually stupid? Yeah, y'all niggas are hella funny, my nigga.
Ready?
Go.
Niggas are funny as hell.
feel like
That shit's gonna snap.
I can just
The other way. Oh, hell nah.
step on this.
You're supposed to go down.
Look, it is going up a little bit. Wait. Oh, before it snapped, I was gonna say, because it did go up a little bit.
We'll just go from here.
Wait, before you go, let me get the jack ready, just in case I can put it in hella fast. Nah, it's not gonna have enough room.
See what the damage is. Oh, look, Steve Jr.'s on the ground.
Hello. Where's the fucking cricket?
Watch it.
Look.
Oh, yeah, the differential's too far forward.
what the
Damn, my fucking exhaust is on the ground. You see that shit?
I'll just call a tow truck. Oh, I had fucking triple A.
A fucking roadside assistance.
Bro, this one has
Hey,
Apple
bro.
Care, Triple
Hey,
A.
man, you gotta be prepared. You
God
damn.
Fucking Apple Tech too. Shit.
Hey, bro. State Farm came in clutch. Hey, want a good neighbor? State Farm is there.
Boy, if you don't. We're waiting for the tow truck right now. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long.
For real.
But right here, look, it looks kind of cool. The car. I'm not gonna lie. Ah, that's fucking sucks that this happened, but shit, it's all good, you know. I mean, and this lady, I mean, shout out to her. She gave us water and shit, but the water tastes hella nasty, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, she's cool and all that for that and stopping this shit, but it tastes like perfume or some random shit. Oh, hell no. You sus if you accepted that kiss. Send them a kiss. Ew.
Bro, some niggas probably on
Sus.
like this.
You guys are kissing this fool back.
No sabo.
What else would you put on that? Not too much though.
That's not spicy.
It's like sweet, no?
Yeah. Not sweet. This is sweet and sour. That's it. Sweet spicy. Sweet spicy.
What else? That's it, huh?
That's it.
That looks cool for now. Gracias.
Ándale.
Que tengan buen día.
Igualmente también ustedes.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Le va bien. Oh, hell yeah. These look hella good, bro. Nice lady. Oh, this one, yeah?
Nigga.
What the fuck?
That's for me. This is fire, nigga.
Is it good?
Yeah.
It's fucking hot in this bitch.
It
man.
is, nigga.
I didn't turn off the car. This is good too, bro. She's a nice lady too.
Let's go, 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 go. Oh, he's on right there. He's on.
I'll do it, yeah. Thank you. And let's be gone. We're gonna sell out the SAP center.
But these niggas fucking talked about fucking. Oh hell no.
What?
Look, I did it myself.
Oh, I got Wi-Fi.
These niggas talked about fucking doing a boxing match a long ass time ago, and they fucking never did that shit. Y'all remember that shit? Only the OGs remember that shit.
I don't have Wi-Fi, nigga.
You guys gotta tell them down in the comments below. Be like, hey, where's that boxing match at though? For real, and comment down who do you think is gonna win.
Nigga, of course this nigga, because they haven't seen me do shit.
Hey, maybe not. You feel me?
Yeah, I'm gonna win.
No, this is you.
I'm
the
gonna win
fucking
by
glove.
fucking forfeiting.
Look,
They can't see it.
I'm the glove.
What's in the glove? What's on the glove?
He's getting punched.
Oh, on top. I thought you were talking about this one over here. I was like, what the fuck?
No.
Damn.
Hey, boys, actually, next video. Next video.
Hey, actually though, actually, they're capping out there.
What?
You're not saying it cool. He's going like what? You have to go what? Actually, that kind of sounds the same, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, nigga, that down, bro.
Who's this nigga?
Who the fuck is this guy? Oh yeah. All right, go.
Got some games on your phone.
Bro, oh my god, just go.
What?
What?
Oh, hell
That's the wrong song.
I know.
Oh fuck.
Nah, I'm bored.
I don't care no more, bruh. We literally just got another text message that the one tow truck that was coming is not coming no more, and then an hour later we got another one saying that tow truck's not coming, and then like right now we just got that, so now another tow truck needs to be assigned, so that's probably another hour or something, bruh. I'm on my no fap again, you know what I mean? I'm like a week strong, but I'm in that point where I'm like,
hey,
I don't even.
Before you say whatever the fuck you're gonna say, whoever fucking invented paper straws, nigga, I know you get no bitches, bruh. Get the fuck out of here.
They've
Look
been
at this shit, bruh. Look at this shit. How the fuck am I supposed to drink my drink like this? Like, what the fuck, my nigga? I know you guys get no bitches. Fuck you.
They're not even convenient. Like they die right away too.
That's the fucking point, nigga. Better from the environment.
But I'm on I'm barely starting my no fap journey again, boys. At the start of the year, I went for 4.5 months with no fap, bruh. I was so happy then. That was a good time. Actually, no, because then I'd be so fucking horny. But I'm going back on it. It's hard, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know, it's fucking... It's not too bad. That's how I know you don't have a girlfriend.
This nigga's laugh is the Green Goblin, actually, though.
Yeah, and your fucking titties are the Green Goblin.
Y'all niggas did how I live. Nigga. This nigga laughs like the Green Goblin.
Oh hell no. He's just out here trying to grab my hand. Look at him. Hey.
And I just want to go home, man. Please.
Yeah, this is how you play with your girl, huh? You're like, ooh, let me feel your hand. Let me feel your hand. Let me leave Monday so I can feel your hand. Head up. Wow! Oh shit! Hey, chill.
Nah, but no.
Watch. Like Brian said. Boy, this thing is so long!
Okay, what time is it?
Literally, the tow truck said, fuck us. We got it up somehow. Don't worry about how, boys. We're trying to just finesse it on just so we can at least like drive her home. Hopefully it makes it. If not, then we're gonna at least somewhere closer where at least the tow trucks fucking fuck with you. Like right now, they're not even fucking with a kid. I don't agree with this, but Misa's riding out with it. Hopefully the wheel's cool. Oh hell no, this nigga took our spot. I was, but this fool fucking cut us off. We'll see how it is. Does it look normal? Oh yeah, it looks normal. It looks normal. Right? The tire? Yeah, it looks normal. I'm scared, nigga. We're about to get home, boys. We got a little journey ahead of us right here, but send prayers. Oh my, it made it, boys. It made it. That's all you need to know. I was lucky stressing for Misa. You?
Terrible.
Hey, it made it though, you know what I mean?
Dude, they called me back right now. They were like, "You get a tow truck yet?" Nigga, fuck you.
Nigga, fuck you, but you still gonna keep on paying, cuz?
Huh? Not my switch.
Misa fixes his wheels and doesn't know how to act, bruh.
Bend over.
That shit's cool, bro. That shit's cool. Do you have the adrenaline rush right now?
Not all crazy.
Not too much?
I wanted a little bit more, but I feel kind of sus in a kind of cool space.
Yeah, hell yeah, hell
I
yeah.
need practice.
That shit was fun though. Who the fuck are you, bro? Go home. Whoa, dude, you look sick.
Hey, bro, say, bro.
Oh, hell no, bro.